Hi, I'm Keiko and I'm a holistic health coach at KTM So today I'm going to show you how to use a glucometer step by step, and then I'm going to also show you how to use this tool to optimize your food options to keep your blood sugar stable. Okay, so let me just show you what I've got here. So I've got a Contour Next Easy Glucometer. I have the test strips, and if this is your first strip set or container, you'll want to test with your control solution to make sure that it's good. I've got the lancets here, and then a lancet tool, alcohol wipe and gauze, and a sharps container for safe disposal. Okay, so make sure you wash your hands with soap. And then we're going to start setting up your lancet tool. So each one of these will be a little different. I'm using the Care Touch. So there's a groove right here, so I'm going to push it in, and that's like a little plunger. I'm going to twist this tip off. This is to keep the needle tip safe. Save this, and then put this cap on. You'll see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 10, and you can set it to wherever you're most comfortable. I'm going to prep my glucometer. So you put your test strip this side in, and it'll automatically turn your glucometer on. So while this is getting ready, I'm going to use the alcohol, and you're going to want to use the sides because it's a little easier to get blood. So I'm going to go ahead and wipe. Then you want to let this dry completely. Okay, and then you're going to poke. So there's a button you push, okay. And then you're going to let some blood come out. Whoops, forgot to get the gauze out first. You're going to clean it off once, push more out, and then let the glucometer test strip draw it up. There you go, and you'll hear a beep, and then you get a few seconds for it to give you a reading. In the meantime, you can eject the needle, so you'll have a little ejector. For safety, make sure to put the little needle in here and dispose properly in a sharps container, and then you have your glucometer reading. Now that you know how to use a glucometer, let's look at your target ranges. So for fasting, which is before you eat anything, you want to be in the 70 to 90 milligram per deciliter. And then after your meal, so 1 hour after your meal, you want to be under 140 milligrams per deciliter. And then 2 hours, you want to be coming back down to about 120 milligrams per deciliter. And then you can measure again at 3 hours, but I just go ahead and do 4 hours. At that point, you want to be back to your fasting blood sugar. The first step in optimizing your food choices is to know how your current meals are affecting your blood sugar. So for this, you can use Cronometer.com, Cronometer.com, which is a free tool to help you track what you're eating, and then it'll be a little easier to correlate with your blood sugar readings. So step 2, you want to start making adjustments in your macronutrient ratios. So when we're talking macronutrient ratios, we're talking protein, fats, and carbs. And you can use your Cronometer to help you out and see where you are right now. But for example, if you have meat like protein, a little bit of fat, and carbs in the form of vegetables, that will generally keep you pretty stable. If you have a high carb meal like lots of pasta, that will generally tend to raise your blood sugar. So this is something, since we're all unique and different, you're going to want to use the data on your glucometer and information you have in your Cronometer and figure out what's best for you. So now you know how to monitor your blood sugar and also test different foods you typically eat to see how they affect you. If you want to eat better but you're not really sure how to get started, I have a free ebook called Healthy Homemade Meals, the fast and simple way to help you get started, and that's free at my website. So please visit my website. The link is going to be below. If you want to learn more about my health coaching services and how I can help you optimize your health, you can schedule a free discovery call with me also at my website. If you like this video, please let me know, and thank you for watching. Have a beautiful day.